GcPdfViewer introduces new annotations and form editor tools to work with PDF documents, making GcPdfViewer a one-stop tool to view, review, edit, and save PDF documents on the web. To perform editing operations and save the modified PDF on the client, you must connect the viewer to Grape City Documents for PDF on the server via the viewer's Support API property. The new annotation tools in GcPdfViewer help you review and mark important information on your PDF documents. GcPdfViewer supports all the annotations you would need to review your PDF documents. Review PDF documents in collaboration with other users. The PDF editor includes the text annotation comment reply tool to add and review comments, user names, and comment status. You can add sticky notes anywhere on the document through the context menu in the Annotations toolbar. Set comments anonymously or set the username in the property panel. Once set, the username is stored on the client and used in subsequent replies. You can set the status using one of 4 values and also reply to an existing comment. GcPdfViewer annotation tools have an intuitive UI that allows users to draw annotations on the PDF. GcPdfViewer includes a separate annotation toolbar and editor to add annotations, modify their properties, or delete annotations from an existing PDF. When reviewing a PDF document, you can edit existing annotations or remove them at any point. Click on an annotation and draw directly on the PDF. Select the annotation to see the annotation properties displayed in the left panel. You can also load a PDF with existing annotations, select the annotation, modify the properties, or delete the annotation from the property panel. Users will find extensive support for setting annotation-specific properties in the viewer. You can add rich text, set text color, add an author and subject. Use the available number icon options to set the annotation from the property panel. If you want to view the original PDF file, you can hide annotations using the Hide button and print the PDF file without annotations. The Redact annotation or Redact a region option in the toolbar helps users mark confidential sections for removal. You can set the mark border color and mark fill color to let users mark redaction areas. The user can then set these properties by hovering over the redacted content, such as the overlay fill color, overlay text align, and repeat text properties. You can redact specific content from the Apply Redact button in the Property panel. You can apply individual annotations to redact, or click the Apply All Redacts button to apply the redactions to the entire document. If you save the document and open it, you will see that the redacted content is completely removed from the document and cannot be copied or pasted to other documents. You can also design interactive PDF forms online. The new PDF form editor will help you create a PDF form with various form fields that include advanced properties. You can create return or exchange forms, tax forms, HR forms, event forms, and much more. GcPdfViewer form editor tools have a user-friendly UI to add form fields on the PDF. GcPdfViewer includes a separate form fields toolbar and editor to add form fields, modify the properties, or delete them from the existing PDF. There is extensive support for setting the form field-specific properties for each form field. You can apply a few general properties on the form fields as well. You can also set the required property on text fields like text field, password field, text area, and combo text field. You can also copy and paste the fields to avoid repeatedly setting similar properties using the shortcut key or clone button. Snaplines help you align the fields with each other to design a professional-looking PDF form. If you want to view the original PDF file, you can hide the form fields using the Hide button on the main toolbar and view or print the PDF file without the form fields. After designing the PDF form, you can let users fill and submit the PDF form in the viewer. There are additional editing options in PDF Editor. You can create blank PDF documents through the New Document button in the toolbar. Add a new page to an existing or original PDF document using the New Page button. Add text to the PDF pages, or use the Delete button to delete the pages. At any point, you can select the annotation or form fields in PDF document in the Annotation Editor and Form Editor view. Use the Delete button in Toolbar or Property panel to delete the annotations or form fields from new or existing PDF documents. If you want to undo or redo your changes to the annotations or form fields, you can use the Undo or Redo buttons in both the Annotation and Form Editor. These buttons record your changes incrementally, and you can keep undoing or redoing your actions until you are satisfied with the result.